Every great journey eventually comes to an end, but the memories it creates last a lifetime. Friendships, confidence, and unforgettable experiences. There were smiles, laughter, warm hugs, and even a few tears as campers said goodbye to the friends who had become family. Today wasn't just the final day of camp. It was a celebration of everything our campers had achieved. From handcrafted perfumes, soaps, insecticides, beads, flower pots, and delicious baked treats.
Here there's perfume, that's 2,000. It smells very nice. There's strawberry, vanilla, and other flavor. This is 500 plus 2,000, 25. This is 25, that's 5,000. And this is 2,000, that's 7,000.
What's the total bill?
Cookies 500 and you took 2, which is 1,000. This one is 2,000, which is 3,000. Plus this one is 2,000, which total is 5,000.
Yeah. So, 10,000. Do you have change for?
Yes, your change should be 5,000.
Thank you very much.
There are 3 main parts of a robot, which is the sensor, the actuator, and the microprocessor. Here are the 4 actuators. Here is the microprocessor, and this is the sensor, which is used to receive information. That was just a little demonstration. This is a multi-purpose drone and it can be used for delivery and surveillance.
My stay at St. Mary's has really been good. I really enjoyed the park. Everywhere is beautiful. The teachers are very nice to us. Everything is very nice here at St. Mary's, and I wish that I can school here for the year and not only coming here for summer camp. My favorite teachers are Miss Sandra, Miss Courage, Mr. Prince, and Mr. Remy. So I'm going to miss everyone, and Mr. Bradley, I'm going to miss him more, especially for everything he has done, because he's always caring for everyone. He just makes sure that everyone speaks on the camera, not only those who can talk. He teaches us how to talk on the camera, and I'll miss him. I'll miss everyone here, my friends, every new friend I have made. St. Mary's Summer Camp is a nice place, and we have made memories that will last for a long time. And I really appreciate it, and I pray I can see them once again. Thank you.